So right now I'm printing a PDF pattern, and I wanted to show you a quick tip that has worked for me when I sent the pattern to the printer to make sure that it is always the right size. So really, depending on your printer and the settings of your printer, if you have a MacBook or if you have a Windows, I'm telling you, it could make a little bit of a difference. I have an Epson, and here is the settings for my printer, and I'm going to print my tester page. Most pattern designers tell you to print actual size, and I'm gonna do that in just a moment. I have found that custom scale 100% works better for me and my printer. So I printed 100% and I'm getting ready to print the actual scale. Okay, so here's my actual size printout. If I put my little ruler, my 1" square ruler, over my test square, it should fit perfectly, and it does. If I do the same with my 100% custom scale, it fits perfectly. If the square is bigger than the ruler, then the pattern is too big, your purse is going to be too big, and nothing is going to match. If the square is smaller than your ruler, then it's going to be too small, the pattern too small, the purse is gonna be small. So if you're having issues with your printer and for some reason actual size is not working, you can always do custom 100%, and that will work just right. Once you test your one page, then you can continue with those same settings and print the rest of your pages. That's it. That works for me every time. Give that a try.